everyone, today we're making healthy chili. That makes it so much easier for me to. Oh, thank you. Now I can finally cook normal. Here, how much it does. Are we gonna cook these till golden brown? So we got some vegetables and we have onions. So we got 3 different types of bell pepper. We got green, red, and yellow, and orange. I think we have orange. Do we have orange? Okay. And we also have some onions and garlic. So we're just gonna mix this till the onions are see-through. Then we're gonna put back in our meat, I think. And then we're gonna put the seasoning, the chili, the mustard, and everything else with it. And then we're gonna put the juice and the tomato, and then we're gonna cook, and then our final product. So now you can add seasonings to that. I can just just over it and oh, we didn't do anything. Oh, okay. I thought we were gonna do something. Sorry, I'm not normally used to that. Yep. Oh, that's fine. Right. Yep. So now we have chili powder, paprika, cumin, salt, ground mustard, and garlic, salt, and chili powder. And so we're just gonna mix this up till fully cooked, and then we are going to add our meat and tomato juice. Does it look ready to put the meat yet, you think?
Just a few more minutes.
Oh, okay. Can't believe I'm actually cooking.
I know, you're making this whole thing.
I've never thought I would ever do this in my years.
So then we
have to add our turkey, and then we have to add our diced tomato juice. Are we gonna have looks for tonight? I'm not using them on camera. No, they're kind of cooked now. Like, they're see-through now. Come on. So we're gonna add the turkey, the diced tomatoes, and the, what's that stuff called?
Beef broth.
Beef broth, chili powder, paprika, and cumin. And then, after that, we have to wait a few more minutes, then fully cooked, then we'll do a presentation. We are making chili, healthy chili. Hey guys, the chili's are ready, and now we're gonna put it in a bowl. There we have it, guys.